How would you protect your family while driving? Recently, Dashcam has been playing an active role in traffic safety. You might experience aggressive tailgating and lane cutting by a reckless driver. Dashcam 360S can record in all directions with two 360-degree lenses. Unique dual recording technology automatically crops the front-facing footage to record separately in higher definition versus the 360-degree video. Dashcam 360S offers more than the average conventional dashcam. Use Dashcam 360S as a dashcam while driving, then unplug it from your car and attach the optional battery pack and use it as an action camera to leave memories of your family in your car and at your destinations. Enjoy a safer ride to more exciting adventures. Dashcam 360S makes your ordinary day-to-day activities extraordinary. Let this great drive action recorder capture every moment in 360 degrees both inside and outside your car. Dashcam 360S.